Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a Doodle Crate unboxing. I am really excited to see what this month has in store for us. And if you are new to my channel, I created this channel as a homeschooling resource to provide unboxings like this, some different ideas for homeschool curriculum or organizational ideas. So if you're interested in those things, please subscribe below and let's see what this box is for this month. So it says Felt Succulent Garden. That title just sounds really interesting, so I'm excited to see how this is gonna work. So it says, learn felt crafting and clay modeling to create a planter full of succulents. So when we open it up, this is what it looks like. And I don't even think my daughter knows what a succulent is, so we might have to go to the store and see, so she can see what they are in real life and not just felt. So here's a little book. So that's a picture, I guess, of what it's supposed to look like. So we have our instructions in here that are showing us a few different pictures and the supplies that should be in our box and things like that. And then we have tons of little felt packets with different colors, probably for all the leaves. It is very nice just on seeing these that they look like they're all cut out, because that would be a lot of work to have to cut all of these out. So we have tons of different colors. These ones look a little different. They're purple with some flowers. And then these ones are gray, it looks like. And there's some wire right here, so that will be cool. And then there's this teeny little thing of clay. And we have foam, I think they're foam pieces, I'm not really sure. That's what they kind of, they're like cubes. And then this looks like a crayon and some Q-tips in there. And we have, this must be what we stick them in. It has, it's kind of hard to see, but there's little slits all over it. And then we have some tape right here. And then a little container that looks like it's gonna hold them all when they're done. So this is gonna be really interesting. I really have no idea what to expect. Some of the past crafts, at least I was sort of familiar with them, but I honestly don't know how this is all gonna work out. So I'm excited to let my daughter into it and to show you how it goes. We just finished doing Alana's Doodle Crate and it was a lot of fun. Did you think it was fun? Yeah. So we're gonna show it to you. Here we go. You gotta be careful. So it's felt succulents, and then it also comes with some clay. So we have a few clay things here that you can see, and there's a snake that's coiled around this flower. So did you like it? Mm-hmm. And what was your favorite part?
Making the little plants that go in it.
Making the little plants. What do you think was the hardest part?
to get all the clay into their spots.
To get the clay into their spots.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to stick them in.
She made most of the flowers by herself. So it shows you, let me show you in the book. It shows you a few. So it has an agave plant. So one of them's kind of like that. And then this one is a jade plant. And there's about 4 of them that it shows you the basic way to make them. And then it gives you a few extras that you can make in a similar way. So that's what she did. So here's the other 2 that it shows. And so then she was able to make those 4. And then obviously she made, I think, 4 more. I'm not gonna count them right now, but so it was a lot of fun. The flower making actually did take quite a while. It took her a couple hours, maybe 2 or so. So that's just something to keep in mind. But the clay isn't all the way dry, but the nice thing about this one is you could still finish the craft and have the stuff where you wanted it and then just let the clay dry after that. You didn't have to wait for the clay to dry to then finish the project. Something else, this is just a funny little side note from me, is that the instructions on this first page go this way. And then the instructions on this one go this way. So when we first turned to the second page, I was slightly confused because I didn't realize there were more instructions on this side. So sometimes they do that. Sometimes they have instructions one way and then they switch it up and do it the other way. So just pay attention to that. And then one other thing I wanted to mention that I thought was cool is on the very back page, it mentions if you go to doodlecrate.com/succulent, they actually have a template for you to cut out more from felt and you could make more flowers. So I thought that was really cool. Obviously it'd be really tedious to cut all the flower parts out, but you can make more. And this was really fun for her. It helped her with her fine motor skills. It just helped with creativity to learn what succulents are and a few little plants that are considered succulents. So we really enjoyed this craft, huh? And we're looking forward to next month. So if you're interested in seeing more unboxings like this, please give us a thumbs up and we will see you next time.